Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to tell you that why your speaking level is not so fluent. Here are some basic tips. If you follow this, then definitely your speaking level will be improved. So let's start. Okay, whatever I am going to share in this video is totally based on my experience. Okay, so if you will follow this, then it's my guarantee to you that you will completely be able to speak English. So first thing that you have to do is believe on yourself. See my friends, believe is a biggest thing that you can. If you don't believe on yourself that no, I can't speak, this is not for me, this language is too difficult, I cannot speak ever this. So this is totally wrong, and you can see me that I am also at your age, that can be, and I can speak English. I'm also not too fluent, but yeah, this is a journey, and I believe myself that I will be a fluent speaker one day. So you have to also believe on yourself that yes, I can also speak fluently. Okay, so first step is that you have to believe on yourself that it is just a language, and if you will practice, then we can speak it. Okay, so here second steps come, and that is, see, I see people who take this language as a big deal. Okay, they think that English speaking is an extraordinary thing, but it is not like that. Okay, it is a simple thing that a person can speak English. It is a language, and if you will practice, then you can speak. So what is extraordinary in this? Nothing is special. So practice makes you perfect. Okay, English is all about practice. So don't take it too seriously and practice as much as you can. Okay, English is a very deep language and also a simple language. So practice will take you into deep. Biggest lesson is practice. Okay, now you will say, Bhaiya, I do all these things, but my speaking level is not improving. So now what should I do? देखो यार, you have to be a patience-full person. Okay, patience is a very big part in this journey. At some point you will feel that, oh, this I can speak now, I am now able to speak English. But at other steps you will say, no, you don't know anything, you can't speak this language. Okay, so this step up and down will come, and if you know this, that it is a journey, it will take time, 6 months, 1 year. It depends on your practice and efforts, that how seriously you take this language. Okay, so if you know that this language is going to take this period of time, so why you. And now let's move to another steps, is you have a word dictionary. Okay, English is all about word meaning for us. So you have to do your vocabulary strong. vocabulary is everything in this journey. Okay, read books, novels, listen podcast, watch movies in English. Everything in English can be. Everything on YouTube, Facebook, Insta, whatever you use, there are a lot of things in English language. Okay, so see everything in which you are interested. Watch that content in English language. Okay, in initially you will feel, oh my god, I don't understand anything what those person are saying, but that is okay. Okay, your language, you this is not your native language, so you have to understand that it will take time. So keep watching, keep learning, and practice more. And that's all for today. I will meet you in next video with a next topic. Bye.